another edition of News Alakan. Behind the microphone is same man, Kamaoman from Fiango Market. Okay, today I bring on some perfect news then. Let us go to our headline. News 1, excess rainfall for Kumba. It don't make place, not spoil. News 2, Konyem Market. Don't they happy? News 3, Fiango Market again with thief. News 4, bribe them done too much. News 5, we say back to school everywhere in town. News 6, excess food in the market. News 7, bad road for Mabunji. News 8, the holiday championship don't finish today. Okay, we'll go back to our news 1. Excess rainfall. Rainy season don't come again since Saturday. Kumba don't experience massive rainfall, and that for that reason, places they don't dry. People they don't lock store. No man, no one come on, no one go in. No man, in fact, all man just enjoy. Why? Because of excess rainfall. Make we hear from our reporter from Tabutu at Tabong.
Yeah, so as we can see, so massive rain to Kumba, especially for Fiango. Rain don't fall all this time. We notice that Fiango market too, it don't lock because tall enough up when rain don't fall. You don't see this time around, it don't bad. Me, I'm Tabutu at Tabong, reporting from Fiango.
Very awesome from Tabutu at Tabong. Yes, sir. This time around we'll talk about Konyem Market. Konyem Market. Some people then don't feel happy. Why others then they still feel glad? Why we don't know we'll still go, we'll still know when time comes. Okay, government don't fix roads for that people, then we don't be fine for them. Yes, then the glad because the market don't open back. Buy and sellers they don't plenty. Okay, town don't be as specific. But we hear from Emmanuel from Tricona. Emmanuel, give us this.
Petit.
Yes, so government don't open ban. Sell and road back Konya Kumba. They are telling the glass so go continue that business for Konya. And the time government for that the road I Emmanuel reporting from Tricona.
Thank you, Emmanuel. Thank you. Yes. Fiango again. Which day Fiango them go change? Which day buy and sell and then go change? Yes, as we hear today from News Alakan, news can reach we say some buy and sell and thief 1 bag cocoa and 20 bunch plantain and today from Fiango Market. Up to now, so they talk for una, they don't know the whereabouts for that buy and sell them. We will find out from our reporter from Kevin. Thief don't plenty again for Fiango Market this time around. So the science so news reach we for our ears, cash we for our nose say some woman buy and sell and thief a friend a train, 3 bunch plenty and 1 bag cocoa. So now so they don't find you, they know you see, they know if you see. Now you a controversy there for Fiango Market this time. Then they check plenty, them see kind marks they will plenty like say that the mark now man is king. Yes sir. Thief don't plenty for Fiango. Now which day Fiango people they go change? When I tell you now which day Fiango people them go really change because this thief don't go straight, it don't go cause. Yes, when I see plenty them, when I see mammy them go straight plenty them. They do come by catching them. Plenty oh thief don't plenty. Thank you, Kevin. Now which day buy and sell and they go change. How if it thief your own market money property? Okay, maybe we'll talk about this one again. Bribe don't too much. Yes. Today, news reach from Boyame Market say ticket them don't increase price. And for that reason, home man the fear for even pay price. Some they even pay bribe. Some they shame for pay that ticket. As I talk for now, so some case even which we will get a video. Then we hear from our reporter, Mr. Ashwa from Boya. Yes, so ticket master then again they go done. This woman no pay ticket, I that ticket man carry clothes unless she pay or she give bribe before they go give back her clothes. And then the woman pay ticket. Which day them go stop? Which day they go stop bribe? Man them na Ashwan from Munya. Back to school. News features from Munya say Munya market on the flop. Yes, There are so many people excited because they want to go back to school. And as we talk now, so the market will take tomorrow, or we will know, so tomorrow morning the food now back to school. Okay, maybe we hear from Ashun Chong from Boya.
Yes, so back to school don't come. Oh man, don't be flop. Market don't be flop. The things they don't plenty. School back, school book. Oh man, they prepare for back to school. Yes, this year we will also students they make it. Those who didn't make it last year, they will study hard because they will make it this year. I am Ashun Chong. I am reading live from Boya.
Chong, thank you. At least school don't they come back. Then we take this one. Excess food in the market. Rain don't before plenty. Now so food and food they don't be plenty for market as compared to last year. Some farmers them is glad, while others them is vexed. Why? Because of bad road, because of that excess rain. What as they enter the house where it spoil their crops, them where they don't keep for house. As I talk for Nana, so get for year from Gay Clovis from Tree Corner.
Yes, so rain don't before plenty. And it's going to give you plenty food this summer. You see, if you go make food on the outside, pawpaw, pineapple, oranges, even coconut, where food don't come back, so they don't be happy because food don't come. Reporting from Benja.
Hey, my phone, need to buy food check. Hey, my phone. Check my check. What's that smoke?
Thank you, Kovis from Pinja. I hope say Tree Corner market for Pinja today be fine. So fast, Fiango market too is it fine today. Okay, maybe we take this other news. Bad word for Mabunji. Mabunji people them be back. Say make their community members them join hands together, make them fix their road because rainy season don't they give excess rain and where they spoil road. This time around, we make we hear from Mr. Fifo from Mabunji.
Yes, Mabunji people them don't send their regard to our station news Akaline say them get bad road, say make we join back their community members, make them try put hands to.
Hello gentlemen, good evening. Please can we know your name?
I'm called.
Okay, are you living around here?
Yeah.
Okay, hey, James, now take a quick look at your road. How long has this road been like this?
For quite years.
Quite years?
Like 10 years.
10 years, oh my god. Okay, so how have people been coping here during the rainy season?
So badly.
Very bad road.
Yeah. So, they know it, but it was so bad that cars get stuck.
Oh, okay. So what have your government spoken about the road? What have your headquarters spoken about the road?
They are just there.
They are just there.
They are just doing nothing.
Nothing.
Yeah.
Okay, have people like tried to contribute some money to make up the road look nice?
We have talked about it, but saying no, that
the road is not going to the road, they don't have money.
we don't have time.
Okay, what of this rich house you are seeing overside? What have the man spoken about? You seeing his front door like this? How is he feeling?
I don't know how he also went this 1 year.
Okay, about the light, everything's okay? Yeah. Okay, thank you for your time.
Mr. Fifo from Mabunji. I hope say Mabunji today they fine. Oh man, they fine for Mabunji because last time I hear about Mabunji they catch some man where he thief 2 bag cocoa then they burn it to death. I'm sorry, so we'll not be give that news because we'll get the news later. Okay, this time around let's just talk about the holiday championship way end today for Fiango. From all the long time we don't play this championship, alas, it don't come to an end with Fiango with the best player called Ozzy. Give them this cup again for the 3rd time. Thank you. Maybe we hear from our reporter, the sport analysis, Mr. Kilimbo.
Fiango this time around carried that same championship with the last year with the best player Ozzy who make him again. Keeping Fiango proud. Yes, behind that same microphone is that same guy, Cameroon man from Fiango.
He's coming. Yes, sir. Who does he find? Anna. Oh my God. As you can see.
Yes, the boys, the yellow person. Asa. Yes.
Yes, it's Ozzy. Ozzy with the ball. Who does he find it? Ozzy. Oh, no.
He was really in the fire today.
This is the semi-final. Live from Fiango. Kum Aguero, Ozzy, and Ascenso. Yes, Kum Aguero. What is he going to do this time around? Oh no!
Yeah, you can see the struggle to most Morocco. You can see this Ozzy. Morocco Ozzy. Asensio in the quarter. The mic of Kenny Mo. Now. Yeah, you need to Aguero. Put his name.
Yeah, Aguero. Goal! Ozzy did it! Aguero has been eliminated from semi-final. Now it is a final. What a good final!
Stop. What's that?
A final between Ascenso and Ozil. Fiango versus Kosara. It's Ozzy. Oh. Hey. Give a space for the camera. It's Ozzy.
My name is Ronaldo. Don't call him Ronaldo. Who made the penalty?
Ozzy again. Ozzy for the final. Ozzy.
Thank you, Mr. Kevin. Thank you. We'll get this one thing again. This one will be in news all the time. For more information, contact us with the number where you go see on for your screen there. I been a cameraman from Fiango Market. I'm back with this very camera that's team is. Stay tuned as you watch news all the time.